On today's menu is stuffed chicken with pasta and asparagus. So these are the spices that I'm using for the chicken. It's all in here, and I showed you guys before all the spices I'm using in this video. Always make sure you rinse your chicken and you get the excess fat and stuff off the chicken. I don't like all the extra stuff that goes on the chicken, and I always just make sure I rinse my chicken in a bowl with like hot water and stuff because it tastes better. Just letting the chicken marinate for a little bit, but as you can see, it's all nice and spiced up. Again, always try to remember, don't over season, always under season. You can always add more, but you can never take away. Remember that. Next, what I'm going to do is just put this in both chickens and then close it up, and we're going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes. I have the water boiling, and next we're going to do our pasta. Right now I am also working on the sauce for the pasta. I'm making my own sauce, so I'm going to do that while the water boils. Spices for the pasta. Letting the pasta sauce just cook. I'm gonna put the pasta in the sauce, and then I have the asparagus going. So with pasta, I add my pasta in moderation because pasta thickens the sauce up and you don't want dry pasta, but I think I made it like a little bit runny, so I added all the pasta, but I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't want dry pasta. I don't like dry pasta. I like a lot of sauce. So does my son, so we'll see how this goes. Pretty much done with everything. Now it's time to plate. I hope you guys like the finished product. Looks super yummy. And as a breastfeeding mama, I'm constantly hungry, if you're wondering why there's so much food. But anyways, bye guys.